morning students. The date is 9th of August 2021 and we will be doing the worksheet number 7, solving linear equation having the variable on both sides. In previous worksheet number 6, we have solved linear equations with variable on one side. Okay, now today we will be doing the linear equations which are having the variable on both the sides. Now before that we will be just learning about transposition. Transposition means changing the position of a variable or constant, anything. So changing position means we are just transferring the variable or constant to the other side of the sign equals to. We are changing its position to the other side. We can bring it to this side or we can bring it to the left hand side. You all know equations consist of two parts, left hand side and right hand side. So transposition means just bringing the term to the other side, from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side. So while transposition, what happens? Sign changes, plus changes into minus, minus changes into plus, multiplication to division and division to multiplication. This we have to always remember. Okay, so now using this we will be doing question number 1. So basic rule is we have to transfer the variable on one side and constant on the other side. And what we do to make it easy, we generally transfer the variable to left hand side and the constant to right hand side. So just remembering it, we will start doing it. First question is solve the equation 3x minus 4 equals to 2x minus 5 for value of x. So this is the equation. Now we are going to solve it. So the basic rule is we have to transfer the variable on one side, that is left hand side, and constant on the right hand side. So we are transferring this 2x over this. So whatever was there earlier, original position, we will be writing it first. So 3x is here only and we are bringing it 2x over this side. So 2x means beta, it will become minus 2x because here it is plus. So minus 2x equals to. Now what is left over here? Minus 5. So minus 5 and we will be bringing minus 4 over this side. So minus will become plus. So minus becomes plus. So it will become plus. So 3x minus 2x. This is 1x. Need not to write 1. We are only writing x. And minus 5 plus 4. Minus plus is minus. So we are subtracting it. 5 minus 4 is 1. And sign of the greater number. So minus 1. So this is your answer. X equals to minus 1. Similarly, second equation is 14 minus 2x plus 2 equals to 2x plus 2 plus 4x. So according to BODMAS, first we will be solving the bracket. So this is 14 minus. So here nothing is written, that means it is 1. So we have to multiply all the terms of the bracket by minus 1. So minus 1 into 2x. So minus 2x. Similarly, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Okay. Here we have to multiply 2 with this x. So 2x and 2 with this 2. Sign will plus 2 2s are 4 and plus 4x. Now basic rule for solving the equation that we have to transfer all the variable on one side and all the constant on the other side. So minus 2x will remain on its own position. Now this 2 we are bringing it here 2x. So sign will change, we are transposing it, minus 2x. Similarly this 4x, this is of plus, it will become minus 4x equals to 4. Whatever is in its own position, original position, we have to write that number first. So minus 2x will become plus 2x. Okay beta. So now we will be transposing the constants on the other side. So this 2. Minus 2 will come on right hand side, it will become plus 2 and similarly plus 14. We will be transposing it to the other side and will become minus 14. Clear? So now we will start solving it. Minus, minus and minus. Same sign gets add. So we are adding it. So minus 2 and minus 4. After addition it will become 8 minus 8x is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 14. Okay. So minus 8 equals 2 plus 6 and minus 14. Plus minus is minus. So subtract it. 14 minus 6, 8. And always we have to put the sign of the bigger number, greater number. So minus 8. Now we have to find the value of x. We have to solve for x. Now here in between 8x means 8 multiplied by x. So according to rule of transposition, multiplication changes into division. So the number which is with the sign of multiplication, it will come to division. So minus 8 divided by minus 8. So this will get cancelled. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Now third question, solve the equation 4x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2x minus 5 for all the value of x. I have written the equation. So we'll be doing by easy method. Easy is what? Whenever we are seeing something in like fraction, we are seeing somehow it becomes difficult to us. So what we'll be doing? We'll be removing this 2. So for this removing this 2, what we have to do? We'll be multiplying whole equation by 2. We'll be multiplying both the sides by 2. Okay. What we'll be doing? Multiplying both sides by 2. So we are multiplying this also by 2, this side, and this side also we are multiplying by 2. So whenever we are multiplying a bracket by 2, each term of the bracket is to be multiplied by that number. So okay. So 2 multiplied by 4x, it becomes 8x plus 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into half x minus 2 into 5. Here also we can write 2 into 4x. 2 into 4x. Okay. So now we are solving it beta. 2 into 4x means 8x. This 2 will get cancelled. And here also this 2 will get cancelled. So what it becomes? 8x plus 3 is equal to x minus 10. Now simple equation, we are solving it. Same rule we are going to apply. These variables on one side and constant on the other side. So 8x, this is plus x. So when we are transposing it, it will become minus x and equals to minus 10 on its own place, and it will come on this side. So plus 3 will become minus 3. So 8x minus x means 1x. So it will become 7x, and minus 10 minus 3. Same sign get added. Minus minus becomes plus. So 10 plus 3 is 13 with the sign of the bigger number. Now again this 7. This is 7 multiplied by x. So 7 will come in division while transposition. So this is the answer. X equals to minus 13 by 7. Now some questions are given. We will be doing the same thing. Transfer the variable on one side and the constant on the other side. Same here. Here some differences there beta. It is given 3x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 3x minus 7. So the number is different. Here it's given 2 and here it is 3. So we can't multiply by 2, okay, and 3. It can't happen that we are multiplying left hand side by 2 and right hand side by 3. We have to multiply the whole equation by the same number, and that number will be LCM of 2 and 3. So you all know LCM of 2 and 3, it's easy. You all know it's 6, isn't it? 2 into 3, it is 6. So we will be multiplying both sides by 6. What you will be doing? Writing multiplying both sides of equation by 6. It will become 6 into 3x plus 3 by 2, 6 into 1 by 3x minus 7. So now again This number is outside the bracket, so we have to multiply each and every term by 6. So 6 into 3x plus 6 into 3 by 2 is equal to 6 into 1 by 3x minus 6 into 7. So 6 is the 18x. Here it will get cancelled. 3 3 is a 9. 2 is a, so 2 1s are 2, and minus 6 7s are 42. X 2, x is also there. Same way now, variable on one side and constant on other side, and you have to solve it. Similarly, question number 4 you will also be solving. Solve all the questions in a notebook and send it in on the maths group. All of you have to do it, and remember one thing, always wear mask and keep on sanitizing your hands. We have to fight against COVID. Okay, thank you.